We're in a small air raid shelter under Ramsgate. We've come to the end of the line. There's a manhole cover. Apparently it went a lot further, but there's a lot of crap in the way. Did you catch my bag?
Yeah, man. Let it go, I've got it. I've got it. Hang on, I've got to move first, mate.
Alright.
Right, bags by your coat.
Cheers, mate.
Right. Fucking shame.
Yeah, I can't open the cover, we don't know where it goes, but apparently behind this pile of crap it goes for miles. There's no way I'm moving it. There's no way I'm moving it. Or maybe it just came in here. The room is false. Anyway, I'm never going to know about that one. Let's get out of here before it all falls on me. Candle holders. Okay.
Right.
Yes, it's cold.
Yeah, I'll chuck it. Chuck it. Bag? Yeah.
See some lines. Screws on the wall. Can't see any graffiti yet. Have you seen any graffiti yet?
No graffiti at all, mate. It's pretty clean, to be honest. Oh, there's a bit here, but this is in pencil. You don't know when this was made.
It's got nails in the wall and electrics at one time.
There's a bit there.
Okay.
The
old candle holder.
Yeah. Oh, it's nice as well. See this bit? They shuttered this bit up. See, look, they shored that up because there was a fall in there. Look, and they've tried to stem the flow. Look, and they've shored it up. All this, look. It goes right from the bottom. It's got metal posts in and everything. So they've tried to keep it back. So they've tried to dig it out further.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's got.
Because you can see, look at the old ceiling here. Look, this is all ready to go, man. Look.
Can you see the nails on the wall?
Yeah.
The electric feed would have gone all the way, so this would have gone further.
Right, there's a little nail up there. Can't see anything else. It might have been further, but they've tried to stop it coming all the way through, haven't they?
Let's keep walking.
There's still a candle in this bit, Frank. Look, still a bit of candle in there.
Yeah?
Look, still a bit of candle in there, mate, look.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this would have been a sit-down part.
That's a really good graffiti, so...
Yeah.
1940 graffiti, mate.
That's the original candle.
Right here. flashing.
Nice little candles there.
Yeah, look, we're looking 1940, look. So the pencil bit on.
I've got my vid on, so I'll video it on the way past. Yeah. That's what I do. Cheers, man. Yeah, so that would have been a sit down part. Oh yeah, I see. 1945, July 31st, 1940. 1940, huh? Another candle out. Candle. Let me just get past.
That's very right, so.
Where's the other stairs? There. Another candle holder. Another little candle holder there.
Get back up. I can't see the date. It's like
19
1-7.
Does it say? It says
M.
Thompson or Thompson? Yeah, Thompson.
M. Thompson, September the 5th.
It's got to be 19.
That's 1912. No, that's
19.
1912. That's a 2.
Could be 1, 2.
I don't want to touch that because it's going to fall out.
No one
If
there.
that was 1912, it would be First World War, wouldn't it?
Definitely, yeah, probably would have
Get
been.
a picture of that.
Stairs going up. To the old door. That's a great little shelter. Great little shelter. Supplied great protection during World War I and 2. Anyway. Shelter under Ramsgate, thanks for looking.